morning everyone. Today we are going to make a bag with an old t-shirt. Spread it out nice and straight. Use a pair of sharp scissors. So if you ask for help, ask an adult or your teachers to help. And we're going to cut it from here to here, here to here. Now we're going to cut from here to here. Next you're going to use a ruler and a pen, and then you go put it down, and then we need about 7 centimeters, and then you go draw a line from here. Now we finish the lines, and next we're going to use 2 fingers and draw a line from a centimetre, and next we are going to cut this edge and split them. I already done that, and I'm going to show you how to do that side. Like this. Cut the lines now. Just like this.
And you need to hold this bit with 2 fabrics together, just while she's cut.
Step is to tie each strip into a knot. And now all the strips have been tied in a knot. Now I've done this bag. It is now up to you to keep it like this, or you can make the handles by doing 2 dots and then draw a line. Now this is my finished bag made from an old t-shirt, as I needed a bit of help with the plaiting to make them shorter. So there you go. You can take it to a shop and then put stuff in there like this, and then here it is.